Hey folks, this is Jay here from Chandler, Arizona. Let's talk about AI and Gen AI, which is part of our future of work theme, a little bit more. Retrospecting on AI, I thought it would be important for us to put the current generation of AI, which we are seeing in ChatGPT or Bard or Claude, and so on and so forth, into context of what are the maturity curves which have come till date. So there are roughly three curves which have come. One is call it prior to machine learning, then machine learning, and then where we are now at, which is called generative AI or foundational or foundation models, which has billions of attributes. In prior to machine learning, or prior to when machine learning was so prevalent, the use cases were a lot more around automation, especially automation in manufacturing, where humans were just passive recipients of a process, right? It would make a piece of apparel and it will give you, and you would just be operating that particular automation to get the result you need to. It could be in getting a report, it could be building a car, it could be getting an apparel, and the focus here was creating like an assembly line or a standardized or routinize certain set of key tasks so that we can replace a human being and save cost. When machine learning started becoming more prevalent, or its algorithms became more and more cheaper to use with the cost of hardware going down, a lot of the use cases turn from just routinization or just standardization or automation to actually helping a human being, taking the journey from a passive receiver to an active participant in their decision making. So in each of their decisions, they could augment machine learning algorithms which can look at data and give suggestions on different decisions or nudge them to take certain actions, and so on and so forth. So humans from a passive receiver became operators of actual decision making, which real time was helped by machine learning. The focus here was, and is, I should not say that is gone, neither has the algorithms for automation, but the focus here is actually augmenting decisions real time to make our day-to-day workflows more efficient. Now where we are at, which is the generative AI or foundational models, is where we are moving to use cases where AI is augmenting our creativity and thinking more out of box or out of process or out of workflow into much more innovation based realms of human work. Humans have become, humans are quickly becoming supervisors of first drafts of creative work which AI has made. They are becoming auditors of if AI is giving them the right things, does it have biases, things like that. Humans are becoming reviewers of the content which AI is creating. In some cases, yes, it is the same as the last category where it is actually helping them make decisions. But the focus here is to augment humans to become more productive and more creative by solving unsolved problems, right? So that humans' first, two, second, third drafts of creative work they are doing is accelerated by a Gen AI tool, and then on top of that, humans can focus on solving some unsolved problems which may not be solved before. And yes, in this case, it may also help augment decision making, just like the last category. So three main categories. First category, which is pre-machine learning, help with automation and routinization. When machine learning became viable, it helped predictive decision making. And now with Gen AI and foundational models, it is helping augment creativity and productivity in an innovation realm. Thanks a lot. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any other comments, I'd love to collaborate. Thank you.